Hi all, welcome to our new YouTube channel Experience Knowledge and Share. So today we will discuss in this video regarding Magento. What is Magento? What is e-commerce website and what is content management system? What are the features Magento having and what is different between open source versus Adobe Commerce Magento, platform or architecture of Magento, installation flow of Magento, admin panel view, and the storefront view, how it will look uh, of Magento. Will describe in upcoming part of video. So before starting the video, my name is Kanhaiya Lal. I am a Magento 2 front-end developer, currently working as a tech lead in Echidna INC organization in Bangalore. I am having 10 plus year experience in web development. I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in 2011. I am holding key skills responsive web development, mobile friendly web development, and mobile first approach web development, Magento to front end most of the part, and back end some of area. Then working on the PHP, the core PHP, the MySQL, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, LS, and HTML5, and many more like Knockout and others. But yeah, these are the basic and key skills which I am holding. And apart from that, I have done Magento 2 certifications. Or you can say I am a Magento 2 or Adobe certified expert developer as well as Adobe certified professional developer. So before starting, please do like our YouTube channel. Uh, please do subscribe, and also please don't forget to click on bell icon to get the latest updated video, or I am posting further detail on different kind of videos, so hope you will like in future also. So that will be great. Thank you for subscribing, and please do. So let's start the video with the basic part, like what is Magento. Magento is a leading e-commerce platform used for online stores, or you can say Magento is an open source enterprise class e-commerce platform with lakhs of merchants using in the worldwide. More than 1,000 Magento stores are coming online every day. This is just a number, but yeah. And Magento has a scalable solution with a powerful out-of-box functionality, good to the store management, and outstanding customer experiences. Magento is flexible for B2C, B2B, and the hybrid solutions, optimizing beyond the shopping cart for the every shopping experience, including email, mobile, in-store, shipping, and marketplaces. Magento is written in PHP language, which is leverage element of Gen framework and the MVC architecture, model view controller flow it having. Magento used other multiple PHP framework as well, like Luminous and Symfony. Magento is a very helpful platform to the all the e-commerce client. Each store become a unique solution designed to the designed to the solve the problem of a specific business. So we can utilize Magento and develop a customer need, or based on the client need, we can do the custom changes. It's give the full end-to-end flexibility just to do the customization and solve the problem. And also Magento have marketing, SEO, and catalog management features. Few are the many are not few, many are the inbuilt features, but yeah, we can do the customization and we can play with that, and it's a very good and in all extreme robust inbuilt features. Magento is just something more than just a CMS. It's not just a content management system, or we can say it's a e-commerce content management framework because of wide range of functionality it have flexibility to change or do the work on that, and depend on the integration. We do lot of integration without any problem. Just to basic knowledge of Magento, we can make and we can achieve the business need. Okay, so you can say that depth of integration into the business process as well. So before moving to the next part, so what is actually e-commerce websites are? So e-commerce is nothing but over the internet, or we can say the it kind of platform used to buy and sell the goods and services. And the many e-commerce business using Magento framework nowadays because it's easy to manage their products, categories, inventory, their client accounts, and the order management, and many more features. Yeah. And what is content management system actually? So the content management system is a kind of a software within we can do the content creations by editing or modifying, and then doing after satisfied we can publishing, and based on the organization we can execute that many things. And this interface allow users to build and manage a website or a lot more actually, even without having a lot of code to in it. Okay, so so now come back to again Magento. So what are Magento having features? It's just a more theoretical view, but yeah. So it's a feature perspective. Magento creates world-class B2C means business to customer, and B2B means business to business shopping experiences with rich out of the box features, combining those with the global e-commerce systems of implementation partners. And the vast market of extensions are there, and third-party integration for unlimited e-commerce customization means the Magento marketplace having lot of third-party extensions. Many are free, paid, or based on the needs, or based on the business need we can use and we can get it and we can implement with the site, putting very less or minimal effort. Yeah. So apart from that, the feature perspective, what actually Magento have as an inbuilt, so you can say we can easily do the easily manage the products and the category from the admin. We can manage the stock and inventory again from the admin or via the respective APIs, and we have easy check user account and manages. Even we have order management system is very good and very intelligent in the Magento, so where we can do the end-to-end journey for a particular order, or even we can do some kind of customization based on our business need, and we can do the changes based on our, so it's kind of a inbuilt also very good order management system from shipping to invoice to how can say the complete the order. Then even the customer need we can do the refund, we can, if the need we can cancel the order based on the customer need or based on the requirement at the same time. Okay, it have multiple payment method integration. It not only just a cash on delivery or online, we can do any many other integration as well, like Amazon, PayPal, or we can say that Stripe, one or many other payment gateways. So it's more than 50 plus payment gateways are there which we can utilize. It also provides some marketing and promotional tools, so that will allow us to varieties of discount and promotion to be applied throughout the checkout process. So in the Magento, we can do the cart rules, we can create the cart rules, we can create the catalog rules, we can define some kind of auto apply rules, we can even put the coupon or discount based rules as well. Yeah, and also for the development point of view we can consider it's easy to set up and expand or extend with the new layout and plugin concept. So we can just use the Magento layout XML layouts and just to extend the existing logic or modifying based on need or override, or we can second part will be the plugins which we can use like a before after getting the calculation we can do the changes, or after getting the calculation we can modify it, or just before and after, those kind of plugin we can use and we can do the respective changes as per need of Magento or as per the business needs. Sorry. Yeah, so that next part is that what are the Magento open source versus Adobe having the differences and the common features. So what is actually open source Magento? So Magento open source give you everything you need to get started. Like it's a ready-made package which customer or the developer or anyone can get it and directly use it with the need of basic knowledge. Okay. And what's Adobe Commerce is it just with open source of Magento with the cloud-based solutions it providing means some kind of extra cloud features inbuilt, so it provided by the Adobe, so it become Adobe Commerce instead of open source. Okay, so what Adobe Commerce actually having, or it will be telling us why to be prefer to choose that one. So Adobe Commerce is an all-in-one cloud solution that optimize for Adobe Commerce websites. Yeah, so it's easy to deploy. It have a enhanced security features. It also have additional integrate capability to accelerate our sales. Means they have a good technical support. Even many other features which having a Magento open source and the Magento Adobe Commerce or Adobe Commerce. So built-in features are like integrated checkout, payments and shipping features, then mobile optimized shopping, then global selling, then catalog management. Yeah, here the catalog management from the product to category, and there the respective details of the product all we can do. Even that basics implementation, how the products can be created and what kind of products are there. We have in Magento more than a 5+ types of products are can be configured, like simple product, configure product, group product, bundle product and gift product. Yeah, virtual product we can say. Yeah, then it's have extendability functionality via marketplace. So Magento have a very vast marketplace. There are a lot of ready-made extensions are there. So yeah, it's providing the extending functionality. Yeah, we Magento also provide instant purchase and then the site search. And yeah, as part of 2.4.3 for the open source, Magento provides now what you see is what you get. Page builder, drag and drop it have inbuilt. So it like how it was for Adobe Commerce only before 2.3 releases. So now it become a part of open source as well as the page builder. So which business person or the non-technical or technical person can use that and design their own website as per their business need. Yeah, so few are the points which are currently available in Adobe Commerce, or you can say it's a support because it's a commercial. So yeah, it's part of Adobe Commerce like business intelligence dashboard, B2B functionality, advanced marketing tools, and you can say content staging. Yeah, this is again many pay like a blog page, promotional rules, and yeah, it extra. Yeah, even category and many things are there which we can use for content staging. Even they have fast page loading with con- uh, contact delivery network like CDNs. Yeah, easy to deploy as we already told that the Adobe Commerce have that interface which we can use. We can deploy our code or our respective environments. It have a technical support. It have a 24-bar technical support, and it have enhanced security with Fastly, WAP, and DO services. So yeah, and come to the next item what Magento for like a platform and the architecture. So again, the Magento have many different things when we're considering the development perspective, or for that we are considering as a application planning to launch. So they have many inbuilt features like configurations and framework modules, it's like it have a command line tool, some kind of different commands are there, then themes. So what the configuration usually, if you consider as a developer point of view, are more technical way, so that usually the configuration related to environment is storing in app etc env.php file, and few are the configurations which needs across the environments, so that can be keep in app etc the config.php file. And also Magento have ready-made framework libraries, so those are sitting in lib internal Magento framework folder, or if we have a composer based package, then it will be vendor Magento framework folder. It can be see the all the framework related classes. Then the modules, you have Magento basis module, all are decoupled. So Magento modules are located under app code folder. Usually the custom modules or any modules you're purchasing which not have composer dependency, or any custom module we are developing or we are building for as per need. So we are keeping in the app code folder, or as a composer based modules, all are sitting vendor folder. So yeah, so we can put our business logic in it. So that's a Magento is a core a module is a core part of the Magento. And yeah, as part of Magento 2, it's good. All are decoupled, easy to manage also their respective business logic, sorry. And then the command line tool. This is an important utility of Magento framework, and that is located in bin/Magento. Yeah, so bin/Magento utilize as a command when we utilizing this any kind of uh, when we're putting any kind of build, or we're doing any kind of builds, or any kind of do reindexing based on need, or flushing the cache, or deploying the site. So yeah, this is the we are using bin/Magento, and there are a lot of other commands also we can utilize this to execute respective commands. And then the theme is nothing like containing static content, okay, and that also located in app design folder. And if the theme is a component composer based and we are purchased, so that also go in vendor folder. So the next thing is installation flow. So how the Magento can be installed in our system or the server, or based on the respective platform. So when we need to hosting the environment, get the environment and host the site. So we first prefer to use Linux operating system, or Windows also can be used, or Linux also like Mac also be for the development perspective, but Linux is the best to be for the server perspective. And then for web server, either use Apache or the Nginx. And obviously we need the PHP as a language, because the Magento built in the PHP. A MySQL needed to use for the database perspective, where we can keep the data. And the Elasticsearch, the Magento 2.4 onwards, they are fully using or depending on the Elasticsearch service to be utilized as a search engine. Yeah. So once that is ready, then Magento provides a two-way for now to utilize or download the Magento version. Either we can get a composer meta packages, usually cloud editions having those, or we can yeah get from the uh, marketplace, or where we have some kind of ready-made. When you install the Adobe Commerce, we'll get this kind of meta packages. Or other ways, Magento clone Git repository, the Git currently market in GitHub with it providing their own, we can utilize that and we can install in our application. So once that is get, we can install using command line tool. Before it was a download package, but now Magento fully depend on the command line tool to install the Magento. So once the installation done, we can check our respective site at the store in the storefront, as well as the admin. Yeah. So without spending more time, just high level information about admin panel view. So usually once your site is installed, you will be see as a default as part of Magento. They will provide a dashboard, sales, catalog, customer, marketing, content, report, store, system kind of navigation bar. In all the navigation have their own different informations, like sales content, the order related things, catalog content, product and category related details, customer, it name is customer, so it's all the customer information detail, marketing like cart rule, catalog rule, or basic things like site name, and all will become here. Then the content site content like page, blogs, widgets, or how can say other all the third party content prospect. Like if you install any third party, mostly if related to content, come and sit here. And also when the configuring a theme or scheduling a theme, that also go and sitting now in the content and the tab. The report means Magento have a lot of different kind of reports all come here, that their respective settings. Then store, this is a Magento main key uh, area or the key navigation. Here all the store information sitting, and like you can do the checkout related, you can check the catalog, advanced, all advanced cache clean or many things. Sorry, not cache clean, is related to that respective that uh, like type of cache to it can be set like varnish, fastly, or inbuilt. All are basic or general configuration for the store coming and sitting here in the tab. And the last is not list but it's a system, so it's related to the application like cache management, then index management, or the index by what kind of index we to be set by, like on save or on schedule, or based on that we can set up the index. Even import export also come in that one. So we can, whenever do the import or export anything, all the files are storing and all the details come under this system part. Yeah. So yeah, this is a high level storefront view. There we're considering home, covering home page, PDP, means product detail page, shopping cart, and the checkout. So yeah, so the home page, when Magento installed, we are getting two type of themes, Luma and the blank theme. Luma is more have a UI, and the blank theme have core module inbuilt. So Luma is a Luma having parent as a blank theme, or whenever we can do any customization, either we can also be preferred to use a Luma or the blank theme, but more preference to use blank theme as a parent, because we need to get the functionality norm rather than UI. And if we need, we can use the code of Luma and we can modify as our needs. So the home page, it considering it having a spot, it's like a non-slider a spot, then the some five grid column, then some kind of hot seller products product view, or the grid part, you can say product grid, five grid, and then the footer part. Then when you open or click, you can even add from the product directly from the home page also, and the hovering on that, or once clicking it landing to the PDB page. So there you can see the product image, or there or imaginary, there have a lot of images if you configure an admin. Then the right side part, you can see the product name, the price, and SKU. And then if it's a simple product, there you can see directly add to cart button. A currently example of the config product, so you can see the variants also here. And then will see usually as a default Magento they are providing add to cart and add to wish list and add to compare. So we can compare multiple products. Once you add into the compare list, we can add to wish list for the future use. And then we have bottom section, there are a tabular way form of detail. There is the more detail of the respective products. Then the if have product have their own attributes, and like some kind of generic information come in more information tab. And the last tab is review. So all the we can do the review of the product, and we can see the review of the product if somebody given. Then we have a related product section. If somebody wants to purchase or get any product related to this one, we can configure from admin. It'll come after the tab as a default. Then the last in the page will be upsell products. So some of product which we can configure as part of upsell and want as with respective product will sit at the last just before the footer. So once product is added to cart and blended to the shopping cart page, it'll be appearing like a a list view format. So you can see the product and the respective variant and name, price. On the right side you can see the respective that grand total and the tax if have applied, or any kind of discounts are there, will come here. We can apply from discount on discount area below the listing area of products. And at the bottom or just before the footer we can see the cross sell products. So cross sell are coming based on water product added as part of my cart. Yeah, so once click on the proceed to checkout button, will landing to the checkout. There, this is a guest checkout appearance. So you can see the lot of input fields are there, which are the basic needs like name, email ID, for like addresses, zip code, phone number. And once the matching information or the valid detail in field, the respective shipping methods are loading. So it can be a free, best, or the flat rate or whatever configured in the admin will come here. On the next click, we go to the review page. There that user can choose the payment method as per their choice, like cash on delivery or any kind of Amazon, PayPal, or it extra whatever the payment method is configured. Even there we can even apply the coupon code if we not applied in the shopping cart, and the final click on the place on order, so we can place the order and it will place the order if we not have any kind of problem. Yeah, so this is the basic introduction of how the storefront works. And yeah, thanks. So we hope you enjoyed our session. Please do like and see you again in the next session. Till the time, enjoy and be stay, and hope you will have some question and suggestion. Please feel free to share with me, and also please don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.